In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an American Airlines gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your flights and apply your gift card smoothly at checkout without missing anything important. Start by opening your web browser and searching for American Airlines. In the results, choose the official American Airlines website. You can usually spot it by the aa.com address and the recognizable branding. If you're prompted to sign in and you have an account, go ahead and log in. Signing in can save time by pulling in your traveler details, but you can also continue as a guest if you prefer. Next, choose the type of trip you're booking: round trip, one-way, or multi-city. Pick the option that matches your travel plan. Multi-city is helpful if you're visiting multiple destinations on the same itinerary. Enter your departure city, your destination, your travel dates, and the number of passengers, then select Search. If your dates are flexible, consider adjusting by a day or two to compare prices and schedules. On the results page, add the necessary information for your flight. Select the flights that fit your timing and budget. You may be asked to choose a fare type. Review what each fare includes, like seat selection or change flexibility. When prompted, enter passenger details exactly as they appear on government-issued ID. You can also add frequent flyer numbers or known traveler information if applicable. Choose seats and any extras as needed, or plan to manage them later. Before you pay, take a moment to double-check everything: dates, departure and arrival times, layovers, airport codes, and passenger names. Confirm time zones and connection lengths so you're comfortable with the itinerary. Proceed to the payment section. Here you can enter a credit card, a debit card, or a gift card. To apply your gift card, look for the option that says Add a gift card and click it. A box will appear for your gift card number and the security PIN. Enter both carefully, exactly as shown on your card, and then click Apply. You should see the order total update to reflect the gift card amount. If the gift card doesn't cover the full cost, you can pay the remaining balance with a credit or debit card. If it covers more than the total, the unused amount stays on the card for a future booking. Once everything looks correct, complete the purchase. Keep your confirmation and hold on to the gift card details until after you travel, just in case you need to reference them for changes or credits. And that's it. Your American Airlines gift card is now officially put to work.